I'm just showing you something new, a new method that I'm actually doing. It's working for all states. 95% of the time, the number's gonna be touching the corner pairs. This is for today, October 29th, for the day draw. I'm gonna show you how it's working in your state. We doing Pennsylvania, Delaware, South Carolina, Virginia, Ohio, Connecticut, Kentucky, Illinois, Maryland, New York, Florida, and Nebraska. All those states. I'm showing you how I get this grid by the date. By me getting the date, I'm actually showing you how I'm getting the grid for the day. How every number is always attached to the corner pairs. Very simple. It's that simple, people. That simple. In New York today, 382 touching the corner pairs. Look at it up here. 832 touching the corner pairs for New York. Yes, it's that simple. How you doing? How you doing? Yo, what's up? Let's go Yankees. Yo, Liz, what's up, Liz? Yes, they resetting the pattern when they do that. Is anybody here from Pennsylvania? Yes. Delaware, South Carolina, Virginia, Ohio, Connecticut, Nebraska, Florida, New York, Maryland, Illinois, or Kentucky. Yo, Joe, what's up, Joe? Joe, what came out in your state today, Joe? What came out in your state today? In Pennsylvania. What was the day number? What was the day number in your state today? How you doing? How are you? Mr. Lewis, how are you? What came out in your state, Pennsylvania? What was the winning number in your state? I'm going to teach you a trick. Simple trick with this day grid I can show you. This is working for all states. Yes, what was it? What was the winning number in your state? And I can show you. No? Big Sal, what's up? Big Sal's in the house. What's happening, man? Nice to meet you. Pennsylvania. Yes, Delaware, South Carolina, Virginia, Ohio, Connecticut, Kentucky, Illinois, Nebraska, Florida, New York, Maryland. How you doing, man? How are you? I'm just showing you how every number is always attached to the corner pairs. Florida. What came out in Florida today? What was the number? What was the results today for Florida? What was the results for your state? If you hear, just tell me the number that came out in your state. How you doing? Florida, look at it, guys. Look. 0, 1, 2. Touching what? The corner pairs. Sonia, how are you? Look at it. 0, 1, 2. Look at the corner pairs. You see it? Clearly. Clearly, this works for all states. 95% of the time. Joe, you see it? Joe, look at your state here, Joe. Look, see the corner pairs? 2, 3, 8. 3, 8, 2. Touching the corner pairs. You see that? In Pennsylvania? How are you, Sonia? I'm getting ready for the Yankee game tonight. I'll be watching tonight. Yes, I'll be watching. Anyone that's watching, just remember, this works for all states. Maryland, how you doing, Maryland? Look at it down here. Look at it. 6, 9, 7, touching the corner pairs. Johnny Miller, how you doing? You see it? Maryland, 796, touching the corner pairs. Look, 679. Look, touching what? The numbers that I highlighted. Joe, this is what I do every day. I come up with this grid to give you the day number. Whoever wants to learn how to do this, become a member. I'm going to start teaching people how to do this. How you doing, man? Nice to meet you. How are you, man? How you doing? Miss Hollis, what state you from? You see how it is, Joe? Become a member. I can teach you. Yes, Ohio. How are you, Ohio? I think there was a double number in your state today. Bayo, what's up? Nice to meet you. If the hit sum today was the 2 in your state, see the 2? In Pennsylvania, 238. This grid changes every day. See the date? Today's the 29th, October 29th. Yes, this changes tomorrow. It's a different grid tomorrow. Minnesota, look at it. 1, 6, 2, touching the corner pairs. Minnesota, how are you? Doesn't matter what state we doing. 670, 670. Miss Hollis right there, look. 670 touching the corner pairs. Yes, you see it clearly. How you doing, Kim? Yeah, how are you? Nice to meet you, Kim. Watching the Yankee game tonight. What's up, Mary? Yes, you see it for Florida? Look, the numbers are always attached to these right here. What's highlighted? You see the 210? Corner pairs? Just remember, I do this every day. If you want to learn this, I teach people how to do this all the time. Yes, you could book a one-on-one with me, and I'll teach you how to do it. It's simple. Whoever wants to learn this is up to you. A lot of people, you know how they play their numbers? I used to play my numbers the same way. What's up, Lucy? I used to play the numbers the same way. I used to play my birthday. I used to play my license plate number. I used to play my anniversary number. I didn't know what I was doing when I was playing this. But now I know how to do this. Yes. Anybody that wants to join, look, become a member. I go on live 3 times a week here. It comes out to 30 cents a day. 30 cents. That's 30 days in a month. That's 30 days in a month. 30 times 30 is $9. You're paying 30 cents. That's below minimum wage. My dog's birthday. Lucy! Whoever wants to join, look what I'm teaching you for $8.99. Look what I'm teaching you. You win once with me, it pays your membership. How you doing, Mary? Whoever wants to join, just think about it. You win once, what I teach you is going to pay you $8.99 a month. You can't even get lunch for $8.99. Can you get lunch for $8.99? What are you going to get for $8.99, guys? Dollar pizza? Dollar pizza? $8.99. Is that a lot of money? Not even a coffee. Yo, $8.99. I understand it's money, but you're not going to go too far with $8.99. You can't even get a decent lunch for $8.99. Yes, you can. Can you? McDonald's? That's crap. Where are you going to get? McDonald's is crap. You're putting poison into your body eating that junk food. You don't know what you're eating in McDonald's. Yeah, you can get the dollar menu. Anything that's cheap like that for $1, you don't know what you're eating. Good luck. Good luck. The only thing I can just tell you is good luck. Anything that costs $1, you think it's healthy for you for $1? Good luck. The dollar pizza. Y'all, you want the dollar pizza? What do you think they're using that pizza? When you buy that dollar pizza, you think they use real cheese? What do you think? For $1, you think you're gonna get real cheese, real sauce, real bread for $1? Thank you, Derek. This is why I try to teach people. I used to play that way too. I used to play my license plate. I'm gonna play my birthday. I didn't know what I was doing with this. But with the person that taught me how to do this, now I look at this in a different way now. In a whole different way. Very simple. What you're looking at now, you go on my profile, do it on a computer, and it just says join. Very simple to join. Whoever wants to do a one-on-one, I'm telling you, it's only going to help you. It's up to you. When I first learned this, the person that taught me this, I booked 3 one-on-ones with him. Why? I was determined to learn it. So it's up to you. If you really want to learn this, you already know what you got to do. If you just want to just fool around, let me play my birthday, let me just play my turtle's birthday. If you just want to fool around, just fool around. But if you really want to make money, I suggest you book a one-on-one, and I can show you the right way to do this. Yes. It's up to you guys. If you're actually playing, I can teach you how to play the right way. You know, there was someone that actually did a one-on-one with me. You know what the person told me? I told her this was the location. You know what she told me? She played 3 numbers. She says, I didn't win. $3. $3. If you know the location is here, you got to spend more than $3. Yes. You know what it is? A lot of people think I got the crystal ball, that I'm a gypsy, that I can tell them the winning number. You must be doing something wrong. You must be playing one number, because you must be playing one number a month. You must be playing, because there was someone that actually joined. You know what she told me? I played 3 numbers. I didn't win. Miss, it doesn't go like that. Three numbers? If this is the location here, you got to spend more than $3. I got a lot of people. You're the first one that ever told me that haven't won. I got over 300 people in my group, and everybody joins and they continue on the group because they're winning. You're the first one. I don't know what you're doing. You must be playing one number. Let me get one number. Hopefully it comes in. You got to put in the work. Yes. You expect me to get the crystal ball? I got the crystal ball. Played 122. It doesn't work like that. It doesn't work because you actually, yes, you joined the group. You think I got the crystal ball and I'm going to tell you the winning number. It doesn't work like that. I'm putting you in the winning location. No, people expect to spend $2. Y'all only, I spent $2. I didn't win. That doesn't make no sense at all. Just remember, if the hit sum today is 2-3, look, in this area here, how many numbers you got to play here? You're going to play what? 9-2-3. You're going to play 5-2-4, 3-2-1, 3-7-1. We're going to just play one number? Oh, I didn't win. If you didn't win, maybe this is not for you. If you didn't win, maybe this is not for you if you don't want to put in the work for this. Yes. If you didn't, maybe this is not for you. I'm sorry you didn't win. I'm sorry. Because you know what it is? I won't be in business if nobody was winning. Everybody joins my group every month. Do you want me to pull out the crystal ball and give you the winning number for tonight? It doesn't work like that. I'm putting you in the winning location. If the hit sum is 2-3, yes, I'm putting you in the winning spot. Just remember, I don't have a crystal ball. I'm just telling you, you're playing off the last number that came out. I guarantee you, I teach a lot of people how to do this. I'm just trying to show you the right way. If you're not doing it the way that I'm telling you, maybe this is not for you. Maybe this is not for you because everybody, I got people on TikTok, I got people on Instagram, I got people here on YouTube. I got over 150 members here. And you're the only one that's not winning? I think you're doing something wrong. Yes. You're probably playing two numbers. I appreciate you joining, but I think you're doing something wrong. Yes, anybody from Pennsylvania, Delaware, South Carolina, Virginia, Ohio, Connecticut, Kentucky, Illinois, Nebraska, Florida, New York, Maryland. People know this works, but you know what it is? People want the crystal ball. People know this works. They just they don't want to put in the effort. They don't want to learn. They don't want to book a one-on-one. They don't want to spend money. They want it for $8.99. They want it for nothing. You know how many people message me, yo, give me the number for free. It doesn't work like that. You go to your job. When you go to your job, you told your boss not to pay you for free? When you go to your job, you go to work, you want to get paid, no? Just like I want to get paid. Nothing is for free. Free? There's nothing for free. How you doing, California? Nothing is for free. I go on TikTok. People always give me for free, give me for free. So you go to work for free? When you go to work, you told your boss not to pay you? For free? California, how you doing? So when you go to work, everybody, don't you want to get paid when you go to work? You told your boss, nah, you don't have to pay me. I work for free. What up, what up? New York, look at New York right here. 3-8-2, touching the corner pass. 8-3-2, touching the corner pass. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. California. How you doing? What was the winning number in your state for today? I didn't check. Yes, it does. This is what I write here. 95% of the time, not 100%. Yes. Do you see the number there? They gave you 900. You see it, more D? Look at it. 900, touching the corner pairs. Do you see that? California, you see it? Ohio had 670, touching the corner pairs. Oh my God. Even the double numbers, look at it. 900, touching corner pairs for California. If there don't be no 900, doing state by state. Anybody here from South Carolina? Look at South Carolina. It came out 272. Look, I had it highlighted for you. Look at it. South Carolina. Virginia had 252. Look at it right here. 225. If this doesn't work, I'm showing you. State by state. Kentucky had 927, 972. I'm going state by state, not only New York. I'm going state by state. 95% of the time, people. Does anybody see their state there? Do you see Pennsylvania? Do you see Delaware? Do you see South Carolina? Do you see Virginia? Do you see Ohio? Do you see Connecticut? Do you see Kentucky? Do you see Illinois? Let me know. Do you see Nebraska? Do you see Florida? Do you see New York? Do you see Maryland? You let me know if this is not working. It's very simple. This grid I do every day. You read it. It's only for the daytime. I do this grid every day. Every day. Tomorrow for the daytime, it's a different grid. Kiki, how you doing? Kiki, how are you? Look at South Carolina. Kiki, look at this. Kiki, South Carolina, look. 227. That's what came out in your state today. Was that the winning number in your state? What state is that? Rhode Island, look. It doesn't matter what state I'm doing. I'm just showing you. It doesn't matter, people. Always remember that the numbers are always attached to the corner pairs. Yes. 95% of the time. So if you don't see your number there, you're the 5%. Why it's not there? But 95% of the time, the number's going to be touching the corner pairs. Do you understand that, people? It's not 100%. I said 95%. This is why you got to tell yourself. The 900 came out in California. So what's the hit sum for California tonight? If it's 900. 9 plus 0 equals what? What that equals to? California. The 9. So you got to go 9, 10. So you got to use the 9 or the 0. What's the mirror to the 9 or the 0? Kiki, you see it? You see the 227? Touching the what? The corner pairs? Yes. So that's how you do it. So you're going to take the grid and look for 4, 5. And you're going to look for the 9s. You're going to play next to the corner pairs. It's that simple. You could play what? 4, 5, 2. 4, 3, 2. You can play 5, 3, 2. Anything that's touching the corner pairs. It has to be a 4, a 5, or a 9, or a 0. But it doesn't work for the nighttime. It only works for the daytime. This grid changes every day, people. Does anybody here from Pennsylvania, Delaware, Virginia, Ohio, Connecticut, Kentucky, Illinois, Maryland, New York, Florida, and Nebraska? Washington, what came out? Ricky Smith, how are you? What came out in your state? Like, if you want it, I put out the grid tomorrow. I put it out tomorrow so you can see it, so you can play for tomorrow. Yeah, you want to? I would do it for everybody. Come, become a member. I'll do anything for everybody. Just like I put the work into this, it's only fair for everybody to become a member. 930, touching the corner pairs. Sonia, what state was that? Yes, Lucy, the same number, the 823 for PA. The same exact number, guys. Pennsylvania and New York. That's how you do it, Sonia. Yes, I'm thinking about doing that. That's smart. Yes, for people that want it. For the people that don't want it, Florida, baby. What came out for Florida? Look at Florida. You think you would have played that today? Today's hit sum today was 1-2. You think you would have hit the 210? Yeah, I'm thinking about doing that. So whoever, if the hit sum was Florida 1-2, you think you would have hit the 120 today? Yes, if it's only one draw, Alvin Barnes, yes. What came out yesterday, Alvin Barnes? Yesterday in Minnesota. What came out yesterday? So that's 9. So you're playing 9 and 0. So you got to take the grid and use the 9, the 0. What's the mirror to the 9-0? Look, 4, 5. So those are the numbers you're going to play next to the corner pairs. There goes the 4. There goes your 5. So you're playing right here. You're looking for the 4, 5, 9, 0. Look, that's the 5. Look. Play right here. Look, 5, 2, 4. 2 times. Look, 4, 5, 2. 5, 2, 4. Look, 2 times. The 0, look, 0, 2, 4. 9, 2, 1. You're playing off the corner pairs. Joseph, how are you? If the last number that came out in your state, is that Pennsylvania, Joseph? This is for the day grid. Only for the daytime. It only works for the day grid. For tomorrow, I'm going to do it early. So whoever wants it, you let me know if you want it. I told everybody, join the group. You're only paying 30 cents a day. I know, Lucy. Hope we got to win today, the Yankees. I got the Yankees today. Okay, Joseph. Whoever wants to book a one-on-one, I'm available tomorrow. I'm booked at 3 o'clock and I'm booked at 10:30. I have 1:15 available. Whoever wants it, this live is going to go up as a video. You can look at it. It's a first come, first serve. It's available now for tomorrow for 1:15. Whoever wants it, you already know what you got to do. Email me, that's my email, or message my inbox. It's that simple. I do it every day, people. I go on TikTok tonight. How are you? I'm happy that you're here too. You haven't won? I'm sorry. Maybe you probably need a one-on-one. If you haven't won, have you booked a one-on-one with me? So you haven't won in 2 months. Have you booked a one-on-one with me? I would like to know how you play. I would like to know how you play. You haven't won in 2 months. You're doing something wrong. You're doing something wrong. It's a shame. Why you don't open up your wallet, book a one-on-one with me? So then I can know, because I don't know how you play. You're probably playing just 3 numbers. Book a one-on-one, and I can find out, and I guarantee you I'll correct it for you. So if you're not winning, maybe if you don't want to book a one-on-one, the only thing I can just tell you, you're doing something wrong. So whoever wants the one-on-one, this is what you need to do. It's that simple. You want to learn it? So everybody expects to pay $8.99 and $8.99 for 30 cents a day. Just remember, you got to invest in yourself. Open up your wallet, book a one-on-one with me. This is not $8.99. This is $8.99. This is a group. You're getting me for 30 cents. 30 cents a day. You can't even get a freaking candy bar with 30 cents a day. So whoever wants to join, this is going to go up as a video. I want everybody to learn this. Listen, I change this grid every day. Every day I change this. It's that simple. That simple, people. Always remember that. Always. Always, people. Always remember that. I find that very strange. You have in 2 months. Book a one-on-one with me. Book a one-on-one. I guarantee you, I'll get to the bottom of it. Why you're not winning? I want to see how you playing. Yes, just remember every number, every state, guys. Look, I'm going to show you. It does state. You tell me the number is attached to the number, guys. Always. Always, people. Look, I'm going to write it out here for you. It's always attached. I don't care what state we doing. Give me the day, time, results in your state, and I'm going to show you what I'm talking about. Anybody could give me yes, for their state. I'm going to do it all over. Can anybody give me the day, time, results, or the nighttime results for their state? And I'm going to do it here. And I'm going to show you, it doesn't matter. My state is harder than your state. It's all the same thing, people. This is all the same thing. It's all about location. If you learn how to do that, you'll be in the winner circle. It's all about location. So this is how you do it. What came out today, the daytime, and what came out at night. And I'm going to show you. I'm going to show you here clearly. This is not a magic trick. I'm going to show you here live. Look, 1, 6, 2. These are the mirror numbers. So whoever doesn't know, the right way to learn this is what? Book a one-on-one so you can learn it. But you got to get it. Look, I'm going to show you for free. Okay. So what was the number? What was the number for your state? It was 356. Okay, what was the day number? 356, and what's today's number today? What state is that? I'm gonna show you a simple trick. The numbers are always attached. You're gonna clearly see it. 356, what state was that? I'm gonna do, yes. What is that, Connecticut? So Connecticut gave what? 5, 5, 8, and today, what was it? 9, 1, 6, correct? Is that correct? Connecticut, is that correct? 5, 5, 8, and 9, 1, 6, is that correct? So now look at it. If you mirror one of the fives, what this number becomes? If you mirror one of the fives, I'm gonna do Connecticut so you can see it. If you mirror one of these fives, what this number becomes? There you go. So what is this? What the number is now? 508, correct? There you go. So let's look for it. Let's look for it together. Look. 508. What was the day number today? What was the day number today in your state? Connecticut. So you can see it. I'm going to show you. What was it, 619? What was the day number today in your state? I'm going to show you. I want everybody to see it. There's different tricks that I know how to do with this. So 196. Now, 92% of the time, the numbers come in straight, V, or L. Do you see the 916? Look, 916. No, you don't see it there. No? So the 916, in which form it came? Straight, V, or L? Court P. Yes. Which form it came? Straight, V, or L? Okay, how about the 508? That's the 558. Which way it came? Straight, V, or L? Look. Follow it. 558, 619. So is that some kind of pattern or no? It's not a pattern. When something you see the same, what's that called, people? When you see something alike 2 times. No? What that means? That means some kind of pattern, no? So the last number that came out in your state in Connecticut was 916. 916. Yes, you see it? I want everybody to see it clearly. 916 is what? See the 7 right here? The 2? This is the winning spot for today. Get ready. Connecticut, you want it? Look, I'm going to give it to you. Simple. Don't make it complicated. It's very simple. Yes, very simple, people. I'm going to make it. 2, 3. That's the hit sum for tonight. This is the last number that came out, so you already know what you got to do. What's today's date? Look at today's date. Look at it. I want you to see the date. Make it make sense. Look at it. 10. No? 29. So you think it makes sense to play, if the hit sum is 230, you think it makes sense to play the 290? No? It don't make sense to play it? You think it makes sense tonight to play the 290? Nah, it don't make sense. Or the 291. Look at the date. Concentrate on this number here. You think it makes sense to play The 290 and the 291? No? I know you guys see it clearly. Clearly going up and coming down. 290, 290. Today's date. You don't see the date? No? Nobody sees it? What was the date number? The 916. No? What is that? Is that part of the date? The 91? The 6 is what? If you mirrored the 6, what's the 6? What if 916 came out, you see the 9 and the 1, what's the mirror to the 6? The same exact number. You don't see it? The 91, they gave it to you? Clearly I see it. If you're playing the 9, what number you have to play, Lucy? Whoever's watching, whoever's new, if you're playing the 9, what other number you have to play if you're playing the 9? It keeps happening state by state by state. What number you have to play? There you go. That's all I got to say. So you already know how to do this. They're going state by state. I tell everybody the 0 and the 5 are the neutral numbers. And if you're playing the 6, you got to play the 9. If you're playing the 9, you're playing the 6. It's the same exact number, people. Yes. So if you're playing 921, you think you have to play 621? Nah, you don't have to play it. Nah. Do you see what I'm talking about? If the hit sum is 2-3, if you're playing 129, you think it makes sense to play the 126? I'm just trying to show you the simple tricks by looking at the date. Is everybody looking at the date and looking at the results? I'm showing you quick. I'm showing you. I'm just trying to show you. It doesn't matter what state or do my state. It's all the same thing, people. Do my state. I want to see it in my state. It doesn't matter what state I'm doing. Why not learn it if I'm doing it in another state? Try to learn it. Pay attention when I'm doing. People are so just busy worrying about, come on, do my state, do my state. Why not learn what I'm doing? I'm showing you a trick here. And you're so concerned about, do my state, do my state. Why not learn what I just finished showing you? Can anybody tell me what I just finished showing them? See, a lot of people telling me, please start all over. This is going to go up as a video. Go look at this video so you can see it. I just showed you a simple trick, and probably nobody paid it no mind what I just finished saying. That's the funny thing about it. That's why people, yo, man, I'm not winning, man. I'm not winning. I don't know, man. You're not winning because you're not listening. You're not winning because you're not listening. That's the only thing I can just tell you. So whoever wants to learn more, you can book a one-on-one with me, become a member. I guarantee you I got the tricks to this. You want to learn more? I guarantee you I can teach you more. I'm just giving you the basic right now. The basic. You want to learn more? You want to accelerate? You want to learn? I can teach you. Book a one-on-one. I guarantee you I can teach you. It's up to you. This is going to go up as a video. It's going to have the information how you become a member. You can book a one-on-one and pay attention what I just finished saying here. Look at the date. These are the 3 things you should be learning. You should be worrying about. You should be worrying about the date. You want to learn how to do this? The date, the results, and the patterns, people. If you learn these 3 things, you on your way. You ain't gonna need me no more. You ain't gonna need me no more. If you learn these 3 things, following the date, tomorrow's the 30th, you're following the date? Are you tracking down the results? What state you're playing? Are you charting down the results? Are you putting down the results in a book? Is anybody doing that? Is anybody putting that in the book when they play this? Is anybody has 2 notebooks? People just, you know what is, people just, see, that's the reason why you're never gonna learn this. If your state, if I'm in New York, there's 2 drawings. Get a day book to write the results down. Get a night book to write down the results. Why you think I'm making you write down the results? You know, when you write something down, you can see a pattern. If you don't write nothing down, you ain't gonna see nothing. It's up to you. That's the way I learned. Write them down so you can make sense what I'm talking about. Try it. A notebook costs what? These notebooks cost what? $1.50? Buy 2 notebooks. If you in New York, Florida, California, there's 2 drawings. You need a day, write the results in your day, and the night. But not only write them, make sense of it. Look at the day, practice with it. Write down the results, look for any kind of patterns. This is the only way you're gonna learn this. I'm not gonna sit here and tell you, I got the magic crystal ball and you're gonna learn it. No, you gotta put in your work. You gotta be determined to learn it. Just like I was determined to learn this. If you determined to learn it, I promise you're gonna learn it. Deborah, thank you. That's the only way. You want me to sit here and lie to you? Nah, don't worry about it. You're gonna get it. No, I'd rather be straight up and real with you because that's how you're gonna learn it. By me giving you a winning number, that doesn't mean anything. I gave you the winning number. Suppose I stop doing this tomorrow. What's that gonna teach you? If I gave you the winning number tonight, I won. But I stopped doing this tomorrow. What did you learn? What did you learn if I stopped doing this tomorrow? You won tonight, but I stopped doing this tomorrow. What's gonna happen with you? What's gonna happen with you? If I stop doing this, you won today, but I'm stopped doing this tomorrow. What's gonna happen now? That's, people just don't get it. Don't think of the small picture, of the small pie. Try to look at the big pie. Try to learn it for yourself so that you ain't gonna need me. People just don't get it. They just don't get it. Nah, I just want to learn it. Just give me the winning number right now. Why you don't think about for the future? Why not learn this so you can start making money for yourself and you can start teaching people how to do this? Don't think about one little freaking win. I won once, big deal. That doesn't mean anything. You're thinking small. Think big. Don't think small. Oh, give me the winning number. Let's do it, people. You have to think big. You can't think small, people. You can't just think, just give me the winning number for tonight. You got to think big. Think big. That's the way. When I first learned this, I wasn't thinking about winning once. I won once. Big deal. Anybody can win this. It's about winning every day, learning this. Learning this. It's not about winning. Anybody can win a number. Anybody. I won. I played my license plate. Big deal. I won. It's about winning 65% of the times. So if you're playing 10 times, winning 6 times out of the 10, then you're making money. Then you know what you're talking about. When you just want to worry about winning once, that shows that you don't know what you're doing. I'm just trying to teach you the right way to do this. Yes, it's not about hitting the jackpot every day. It's about winning a little bit every day. So if you're playing 10 times a week, say you play 10 times a week, and if you're winning 60% of the times, you lose 4 and you're winning 6 out of the times, you're profitable. You're making profit. That's what it's about. Everybody that does this is to make profit. Deborah, that's how you do it. People just don't realize it. You know what people tell me? Just give me the winning number. I don't care. That shows a lot about the person. He's just thinking small. He's thinking small. You're not thinking big. Why not learn this so you don't need me no more? Learn it so you can make money for yourself And you can start teaching other people how to do it. So you can start making money. Not concentrating, give me the winning number. How much is it? It depends on the budget. Whoever wants more information, I can answer all your questions. There's a way to do this. Yes, book a one-on-one with me. All the information. You got to know how to manage your money doing this. You got to have 2 separate bank accounts. One main bank account for your personal life and a separate bank account for this. You got to know how much money to invest in this. You got to know how to do this right. I can teach you the right way to do this. Or you want to do it, I just want to play my birthday. You can play it the way you want to do it. You want to look like an amateur or you want to look like you know what you're talking about. So it's up to you. You want to be at a point that when you're winning, that separate bank account that you got for this, you're using their money. You're not using your money no more. You understand? You're investing with their money. Every time you win, you put in that in your separate bank account. You're going to be at a point you're putting 2 to 3% of your money daily doing this to make profit. You want to start using no longer your money. You want to use their money to invest in this. That's how you do it, Deborah. That's what I do every day. Anybody could do it. If you learn it and listen to me, I listened to the person that taught me this. That's why I'm here today talking about this, because I listened to him. It's an older man that taught me this. I listened to him. I listened. So if you want to learn this, just do it the way he taught me. I'm trying to teach everybody how to do this. So it's up to you. I can't tell nobody what to do. Everybody, we all adults here. Just remember, this right here, if you learn this, it can help you out. It's up to you. It's up to you, people. I can't tell nobody what to do again. I know it helps me out. It helps me out. Yes, thank you, Deborah. Winner, 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 winner. Chicken dinner. Guys, I'm going to get ready to watch the Yankee game tonight. Anybody that wants to join a one-on-one, watch this live. It's going to go up. It's only going to help you. Look what you're investing. You're investing not even 30 cents a day. I only go live here 3 times a week. I go live on TikTok 7 days a week. So if you want to join on TikTok, I go on live 7 days a week. I only go on live here 3 days a week. That's why I only charge $8.99. That's only 30 cents a day you're paying. 30 cents. 30 cents, people. I promise you, you're not going to lose sleep. And if you win once with me, it pays itself, people. You understand? It pays itself. As soon as you win with me, you got to get your $8.99 back for the month. Think about it. Think big, people. Don't think small. Book a one-on-one with me if you want it. I'm available tomorrow at 1:15 only. I'm booked already for the whole day tomorrow. I'm booked for 9:15, 10:30, 3 o'clock. I only have one spot available for Wednesday tomorrow. So whoever wants it, it's a first come, first serve. I don't hold no spot for nobody. Payment holds the spot. It's that simple. Guys, everybody enjoy your evening. Happy Tuesday. Yes, if you want more information, you already know what you got to do. I appreciate everybody on the live. Yes. Thank you, Deborah, always. Lucy, yes, let's do it tonight. We got to go Yankees tonight. Go Yankees all the way. Everybody could do this. Everybody here is grown. There's no kids here. We all grown here. And I'm showing you the right way to do it. You don't want to listen? I can't force nobody to do anything. Hey, you on your own. Read my comments, what people are saying about me on TikTok, Instagram, YouTube. Go look at my videos. I've been doing this for 5 years on YouTube, but I just started going live. I got videos over 5 years old, but I just started going live recently. You understand, people? On YouTube. I got on TikTok and on Instagram. God bless always, guys. Enjoy your evening. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. I'll see you guys later. This is Numbers with Dave, the Lotto King. And I'm out.